Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Velar in Fuji White. This is an R-Dynamic SD240. It's next due for a service in April 2022 and has previously had only one owner. You have 20-inch gloss black alloys, giving the car a real sporty appearance. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've ever got your hands full. And going into the boot, as you can see, you have plenty of space there, but you can also put the seats down if you do need extra room. Carrying on round the car and going in towards the front, you also have keyless entry, so if I press this button, the car will lock, and the same for unlocking as long as the key's nearby. R-Dynamic tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior. You also have some suede bits on there. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day or just for a bit of fresh air, but you do also have a sun blind which can be pulled all the way across if you wish. Various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. Eco, dynamic, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, and you do also have sand. The seats in the front are also heated, perfect on a winter morning. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see that you have a rear view camera, which makes parking and reversing so much easier. You also have eco data, which tells you how well the car's been driven, for example if you're braking too hard, and you can also see your history. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, all of which are handy whilst driving along the motorway. Memory seats, which is practical if there's several people driving the car, and you also have a Meridian sound system. This car's done 33,853 miles, and stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a gorgeous Range Rover Velar. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.